welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another Louis Vuitton unboxing. So this particular item that I've got, this one is still part of the fall and winter of 2022 collection. So in my previous video, I did unbox the Speedy Bandolier 25 in this beautiful, lovely cognac color, and I am so in love with that purse. I mean, believe it or not, I can't even put it down. Since I got that piece, I wear it to work. I wear it everywhere. Wherever I go, I wear that beautiful, beautiful Speedy Bandolier in that lovely color. I mean, I was like surprised how much I adore that color, guys. So anyway, I was at the store the other day. I was like sending my item for a repair, and I keep thinking of adding more in my collection in that lovely cognac color. So anyway, I end up getting this beauty right here. And do you guys have any guesses? And let me show you. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I am so happy that I finally got the perfect purse for fall, and I'm so happy with that Speedy Bandolier that I have. I mean, that for me is perfection. It is a perfect fall bag. So anyway, I don't know. I mean, I wasn't supposed to be getting any more. That's because that I would consider that Speedy also as my Christmas gift for myself. So this year Christmas came early to me, and I just can't resist. I just can't resist when I saw this beauty at the store. So anyway, let me show you. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is a Louis Vuitton Felicie Pochette. Look at that beautiful cognac color right there. And what really sold me on this beauty right here, aside from the lovely color, is the monogram pattern. I have mentioned on my previous unboxing that I wish Louis Vuitton would have put this monogram pattern on the side of the purse. So let me just get this one right here. I have this Speedy right here. I wish they could have put this pattern on the side. I mean, I totally love this monogram pattern, guys. I also like the giant monogram as well. So this is the giant monogram, and this is the regular monogram pattern. So you'll see the difference. And I wish they could have incorporate this print on the side, and that would have been perfect. Right there. Oh my gosh, it would have been perfect though. So anyway, I was initially, I've been wanting to get that zippy wallet on this pattern. But for some reason, I put a thought on the pricing. So that one was around $1,200. And I was thinking it's just a zippy wallet. There is a card slot inside. It is exclusively used as a wallet. Whereas I could add a few $100s more. I will get a wallet and chain as well as a clutch. So anyway, oh my gosh, I can't even like resist of how beautiful this is. So it is a Felicie Pochette. Let's take a look at the beautiful, beautiful debossing right here. This one is made up of an empreinte leather. As you guys can see the grain, it is so beautiful. it has the press-stud closure right here with the gold hardware. And guys, in the past, I used to speak to my SA and I said, why do I always get scratches on the press-stud closure? I mean, I always get scratches, and right now there is a lot of scratches on this, and I don't think this was just released, and I really don't think this was a return. So basically, out of all the Felicie that I have, majority of them has all those hairline scratches, and I think I was told that that is just normal. So when you go to the store and you find this Felicie, it is normal to see those scratches, because I have compared this to several of Felicie that they have. This one is not sold out yet. You could see this is available at the store as well as on the website. So I'm just giving everybody a heads up right there that the scratches, the hairline scratches, is actually normal. So anyway, let me just take a look at the side right here. It is just a plain, and this one right here, this one is made up of one continuous piece of leather. As you guys could see, that the pattern is the other way around if you look at the back, and if you look at the front, you will be able to see that pattern right there. So if you turn it on the other side, it is the other way around. Okay, so let's take a look at inside. And another thing, what sold me in this beauty right here, like I've mentioned, I wanted to get the zippy wallet just to match with my Speedy Bandolier, and I said, I will add a few $100s more. And I know with the Felicie Pochette, I could use it as a crossbody, I could use it as a clutch, and I could use it as in any of my purses, large purses like Never Full. And it came in with this 2 removable pouch inside. So this one is a flat pocket right here. It has 8 card slots, 4 on this side and 4 and on the other side as well, made up of front leather. And it has this pocket right here. It has a wide opening where you could actually put a bills in here, and also this one could fit a passport as well. So this is really nice. And also it came in with this pocket that has a zipper right here. Wow, it's really soft. It has a gold hardware inside right here. It's just flat though. But out of all of the Felicie that I have with all the inserts, I've actually never used this, to be honest. I will never put coins in here. So maybe I don't even keep receipts on my wallet as well, and on my purse. So basically, I have never used this. So yeah, so you got this 2 inserts inside. Let's take a look. The interior, there's a large compartment right here. When you open it, just like that, it has this matching cognac fabric lining inside. We have, this one is actually made in Italy. I think majority of the Felicie Pochettes are made in Italy. As far as I remember, I think majority of my Felicie are made in Italy. It has a long flat pocket right here at the back. There's only one pocket though, which I have never used as well. So this is the product code. It's M81531, and this one is priced as $1,620 before tax. Okay, let's go back inside right there. And it has a chain strap. This is a beautiful gold chain strap right here. This one is removable, but it is not adjustable. It is so shiny, and I always think that the gold color blends in, complements in perfectly with the cognac color. I really think, I mean, it's so, I mean, with that color, the color combination, it's stunning. Look at that. Wow. Oh my goodness. I totally love it. So yeah, this is my latest addition to my Louis Vuitton collection. Before Louis Vuitton will have another price increase, I have decided to add this in my collection. I was thinking of adding this maybe sometime in November though, for the Thanksgiving, but I said, what if there is going to be a price increase maybe at the end of October? So yeah, it's like, I think on the next price increase, this is going to be close to $2,000, $1,900, like that. So I wouldn't be surprised that this is close, especially with the leather, with the upfront leather. They are going to be, this is going to be priced close to $2,000. I wouldn't be surprised. And yeah, I would prefer the leather over the canvas though. It looks so luxurious though, and I really love the debossing. I mean, yeah, it's beautiful. Look at that. I mean, this one has this new press stud closure, and I'm not really sure about this. Sometimes it is so hard to, I mean, also guys, with my other Felicie, I also have a little bit, just a little teeny tiny bit of issues with closure, because I have to find, you have to press it a little bit harder, and sometimes you're gonna have, I mean, I don't know, I wish you could have do a version that is like magnetic. Well, that was just my thought though. It is magnetic, but anyway, that was just a minor like issues to me. But anyway, overall, she's beautiful. I totally love the color and this beautiful monogram pattern, and I would highly recommend it. It's still available, not the Speedy Bundle 25. That one is a limited edition piece. It is also a limited edition piece, but the Speedy Bundle sold out quickly compared to the Felicie. But yeah, this might be sold out very soon. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.